Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace data in Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many data. Now we want to find and replace data. At first, go to the home menu. Select the find and select drop down menu. Now I am choose the find option. Then write anything. Now I am write contact now. Then click find next. We can see the data is automatically finded. Now we want to replace the data. Select the replaced option and we write the replace with text. Now I am write serial now. Then click replace all or replace. Now I am select replace. We can see here the notification is all done. We made one replacement. Click OK. Then close the find and replace button. We can see we find and replace data into Excel spreadsheet very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.